Welcome, my name is Pip and I am delighted to introduce you to AnatomyStuff, a trusted UK supplier to universities, schools and private practices for over 25 years. Throughout this video, I'll be showcasing our comprehensive veterinary product range and how it supports education, training and clinical excellence. AnatomyStuff is proud to be a UK leader in veterinary training products. From detailed anatomy models and educational charts to high-fidelity clinical skills simulators, our range is designed to support learning at every stage. We work with some of the most respected manufacturers in the industry, stocking exclusive brands such as Erler Zimmer, RealityWorks, Syndaver, Bone Clones and Rescue Critters, alongside other leading names including Veterinary Simulator Industries, 3B Scientific, GPA Anatomicals, Lifeform and Simulades. Now that you know a little bit about who we are, let's take a moment to outline what I'll be covering in this video. I'll start by giving you an overview of our veterinary training product range and how it supports teaching and skills development across higher education and clinical environments. We'll then look at anatomy teaching resources, clinical skills and simulation products, and highlight a selection of trusted manufacturers that we work with. Along the way, you'll see real product footage and examples of how these tools are used in veterinary education. Let's start with the foundation of all veterinary education, anatomy. Strong anatomical understanding underpins every aspect of veterinary training. Our anatomy range is designed to support visual, tactile and repeatable learning for students at all levels. We supply a wide selection of veterinary anatomy models, skeletal replicas and educational charts, all of which cover a range of species and anatomical systems. These resources are ideal for lecture-based teaching, practical classes and independent study. Many of the models you'll see here are produced by industry-leading manufacturers known for their anatomical accuracy and durability. This makes them suitable for frequent classroom use. The anatomy charts are all designed and developed by our in-house team of medical illustrators. Whilst anatomy provides the theory, practical skills training is where students really begin to apply that knowledge. Clinical skills training allows students to practice essential procedures in a safe, controlled environment before working with live animals. Our range includes task trainers and simulators designed for procedures such as injection techniques, suturing, catheter placement, birthing, and emergency care. These tools are particularly valuable in universities and college settings, where repeated practice and consistency are essential. However, they're equally as useful in private clinics for staff training and CPD. We also offer high-fidelity simulation solutions that support scenario-based learning, teamwork and decision-making, helping to bridge the gap between theory and real-world clinical practice. I'd like to highlight one of the standout simulation products from Veterinary Simulator Industries, a global leader in advanced veterinary training simulators that allows students to build confidence and competence in key clinical procedures without the risk to live animals. As a trusted UK distributor for VSI, we bring these highly realistic models directly to universities, colleges and clinics across the UK. One of VSI's signature products for large animal teaching is their Hereford Dystocia Simulator, a full-size bovine carving model designed to replicate the anatomy and changes of dystocia management in cattle. This simulator enables training in obstetric techniques such as positioning, assisted delivery, use of obstetric chains, manipulations, and decision-making during difficult births. The model is constructed with a steel-reinforced epoxy fiberglass body and water-resistant components, making it robust and easy to clean for repeated practical sessions. It includes a matching Hereford calf, inflatable support systems, a clear uterine bag, functional udder, pelvic replica, and a realistic perineum panel, all of which combine to provide lifelike training scenarios that reinforce core skills. Trainers can incorporate this simulator into structured sessions, allowing students to practice techniques safely and review the performance with immediate feedback. This is essential when mastering management of carving complications before the real-world application. In addition to the Hereford Dystocia Simulator, VSI offers a range of other high-fidelity training models, all designed to support veterinary education across multiple species and clinical disciplines. The Equine Palpation Colic Simulator is a full-sized model that enables learners to practice gastrointestinal palpation, assess abdominal conditions, and explore internal anatomy in a controlled environment. It's ideal for teaching diagnostic approaches to colic and related equine abdominal issues. For canine training, VSI's Canine Dental Surgery Simulator and associated dental technician models provide anatomically accurate scenarios for practicing periodontal procedures, extractions, and other dental skills that are vitally important in small animal practice. On the large animal reproductive side, the bovine theriogenology model supports skills such as rectal palpation and reproductive tract examination, helping students to understand bovine reproductive anatomy and procedures. We're proud to be an exclusive UK supplier of Erler Zimmer's veterinary range. Erler Zimmer's products are designed to support practical hands-on learning in a safe and repeatable way, making them particularly well suited to universities and college teaching environments, as well as clinical training settings. Their range includes some truly excellent training tools, such as Rocky, the versatile positioning mannequin used to practice correct patient positioning and handling techniques. And they also have the canine claw trimming paw, which enables learners to practice nail trimming safely and accurately, alongside a variety of additional task trainers designed to support everyday veterinary procedures. By working exclusively with Erler Zimmer in the UK, we're able to offer reliable access to these high-quality models and support institutions in selecting the right tools to enhance their practical training. Another key partner in our veterinary training range is Rescue Critters, a respected provider of lifelike animal simulators and clinical skills training models, all of which have been designed specifically to support veterinary education and hands-on practice. Rescue Critters products give students and practitioners the opportunity to develop essential procedural skills in a controlled and ethical environment. The Rescue Critters collection includes a wide range of realistic training tools, from CPR and emergency care mannequins to advanced clinical task trainers. For example, their highly detailed critical care Jerry canine simulator is ideal for practicing emergency procedures and critical care scenarios, while the Jerry canine CPR mannequin focuses on basic life support skills such as chest compressions and airway management. Rescue Critters also offers targeted models for specific skills, such as IV and catheter placement, injection pads, and feline care, including the feline ovariohysterectomy spay model, and critical care Fluffy for feline emergency training. Each Rescue Critters model is designed to be robust, anatomically relevant, and suitable for repeated practice, making them excellent additions to veterinary teaching labs, skills centres, and clinical training programmes. We're also pleased to include products from Syndaver, a global leader in ultra-realistic synthetic animal models, designed specifically for advanced veterinary education and clinical skills training. As the exclusive UK supplier, we bring these cutting-edge tools straight to institutions looking to elevate their teaching and simulation capabilities. Syndaver's models are created using synthetic tissues that closely mimic the look, feel, and mechanical properties of real animal anatomy, offering a high-fidelity alternative to cadavers and live animal use. These models enable students to practice surgical techniques, anatomical exploration, and clinical procedures with exceptional realism, reinforcing confidence and competence in a risk-free setting. Within the vet range, you'll find modular canine and feline anatomical models that can be configured for different training needs, as well as task trainers such as canine airway trainers and abdominal surgical models that allow focused practice on key procedures. These tools are ideal for surgical labs, clinical skills sessions, and advanced anatomy courses. Alongside our physical models and simulators, we're also keen to support students beyond the practical classroom. That's why we're proud to offer Cetra for Vets as a free educational resource for veterinary students. Cetra for Vets provides access to hundreds of educational handouts, as well as a wide range of labelled and unlabelled veterinary anatomy diagrams. These resources can be viewed online, annotated digitally, and printed for revision, making them ideal for independent study, exam preparation, and reinforcing learning outside of taught lessons. By combining hands-on training tools with accessible digital resources like Cetra, we're able to support a more rounded learning experience, helping students build strong theoretical understanding alongside practical confidence. I hope this overview has given you a clear insight into how our veterinary training products can support effective hands-on learning. Both our comprehensive veterinary range and Cetra for Vets support universities and colleges delivering undergraduate and postgraduate veterinary education, as well as private practices looking to enhance training, induction, and ongoing professional development. Our team work closely with customers to help identify the right products for their specific teaching goals, for their space, and for also their budget, whether that's a single model or a complete simulation suite. To explore the full range, request more information, or speak with our team, please visit our website www.anatomystuff.co.uk or get in touch using the details on the screen. We'd be happy to support your training and education needs.